Hi friends, let us understand the Benami transactions, what it is called the Benami. It means which types of transactions will attract the Benami transaction. In this case, before understanding the Benami Transaction Act, we must know the Prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act 1988 and Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Act 2016. Now the term to be as a Benami transaction, so purchasing or holding of any properties in the name of the person other than who has made the contributions. That's known as the Benami transactions. And in this case, where the property is transferred or is held by a person and consideration is paid by other persons. So property has been transferred into a person, but however the payment has been done by the B person. And in this case, and also but the benefit will gain that the person B who has made the payment, and in this case property is held for the immediate or the future benefits to those persons who have made who has made the investments or considerations in this case. However, the property has been transferred to the name, that's a benimidar, is the other person who has not made any consideration, make payment under this. So in this case it has certain exceptions in this case. Now for who have done the Benami transactions, so there it's a penal provision, so it's an offense, and there will be penalty for the Benami transactions than the rigorous imprisonment that shall not be less than a 1 year, but which may extend to a 7 years. Along with this, along with this shall also be liable to a fine which may extend to 25% of the fair value, fair market value of this property. If you have made or if you have submitted section 54, that's a, if you have submissions any false evidence, false informations to any authority under this act, then it also is a penal provision, it's an offense. And in this case the rigorous imprisonment that shall be not less than 6 months, but which may extend to 5 years. And also there shall be a fine which may extend to a 10% of the total market value, fair market value of this property. And section 18, that's authorities under this act, that the authority, that initiating official, that's the approving authority, administrator, and the adjudicating authority. Now the against the order of adjudicating authority you can file the appeal before the tribunal.